Hello there, this is the Bookkeeping Master on YouTube. This is the last video in this year-end accounts series. As mentioned in the previous video, this will be very brief. We're coming to the end. If this series has been helpful, then please please leave a comment below. Please check out my other free courses on my website. Here we go. The balance sheet. You know how to compile a balance sheet. If you don't, I have lots of information on how to do that on my website. But a few things I want to highlight in this video before we close. Everything has to be done. As mentioned in the last video about compiling the profit and loss statement, all steps have to be completed to ensure the accuracy of this statement. If anything has been missed, this statement will not be correct. So it's important you follow all the steps in this course. They were included for reason. Don't leave anything out. Some things I'll mention about this balance sheet. Fixed assets. So this is going to include your calculations for depreciation that obviously impact the closing balance. So the closing balance of your depreciation calculations will be included in this fixed assets figure. Current assets, that's going to include the prepayments that were done for the entity that you calculated. Also the closing stock figure, that balance, that closing stock in the stock adjustment, that's going to show within this current assets section. Moving down to liabilities. Current liabilities, this is going to include the accruals. It's also going to include the tax charge for the year. And then down the bottom we have our retained earnings, the profit and loss account. So this is going to be the closing balance of that retained earnings statement that we created. And that's it. A very brief video. Thank you so much. This is probably the longest series I've ever done in regard to the amount of videos that were created. All support is appreciated. I'll speak to you in another course. Thank you so much. This is the Bookkeeping Master signing out.